Yes, babe. Are you leaving now?
Yeah.
Is he ready? I thought we were going to Dr. Mike first.
11:30.
Oh, I need to call him to find out what time is my appointment. Oh shucks.
12. I still
Hmm?
maybe it's 12:30. But you wait, so you will.
12:30? Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't get them.
Oh,
Well,
I don't know. I saw it this morning. All right, babe. So let me show you guys what it's looking like. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Yeah. It is boiling. It'll be done in no time. Sorry, my face is just all up in the camera. But yeah. Ooh, it smells real good. I smell the cinnamon. I love cinnamon scent. It just hit me. You should be trying to rest. I know. But I'm also trying to schedule so that when I'm resting, things are happening. So the resting, all right, babe. I love you. Be safe. You have the key? Left it? Okie doke. Babe, can you call the chiropractor and see what time my appointment is and probably text it to me before you head over? Like on your way? Thank you. Yeah. Like when I'm resting, I feel a lot of pain. Like I still have to get things done. Yesterday, I packed my bedside cart, so that's good to go. I am still waiting on my pump, which they should be sending me pretty soon. So I'll just add that to it, and I have a video to do with my cart. Like, girl, I gotta get these content out because I'm not trying to go back to a 9 to 5. So I'm trying to work on having those set up, and I'll be out of a job for a little bit. So gotta have something rolling in the money. Hence the reason why I have most of my stuff I got from Amazon. I gotta do all these reviews, put them out there. Gotta make some money. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. And the detailing business, yes, it's still here. But in the winter, the business slows down a bit because it's seasonal. Not everyone wants to detail their cars in the winter. So yeah, I'm just trying to work on some things over here. But yeah. Do you have post schedule for the rest of December? I think we have like about 15 to 18 minutes left. I did not set the time. I'm just winging it at this point. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm going to sweeten this with condensed milk, sugar. Let me put them right here. So I have everything all prepared. Your appointment, oh shucks, my appointment is 11:30. I'm going to be late. I'm going to have to go later because I'm not sure why I was thinking that it was at 12. But I should not even have been in the kitchen this late. Collab video, awesome. I I'm straying away from the whole long form having to edit because baby's busy, which he does my editing, and I'm busy. I can't do it. So that's why I've been doing live and trying to get highlights and all the good stuff because I'm just like I'm not able. I'm not able to do the whole editing. And I do also find that I have more views on my live than I actually get on posting a regular video. And it takes so much to actually